But going to websites it's great for especially customer acquisition, because when customers are researching what they're going to do, a lot of times they'll go on their computer and Google. But once they've picked somebody, having that app on their phone is key to retaining that customer. So, and I can go on if you want about all the different ways we add value for laundries and dry cleaners, but
I think having that app is awesome, because it's, once that app is on the phone, the phone, obviously people are looking at their phones all the time. So you're front of mind, once you're on that phone, and even, sending people to a website, that's good. And that will drive business for sure. But, especially I would assume, especially for the residential customers, having that app is a huge, perk to a laundromat owner to say, hey, download my app. It's there. All you got to do is hit the button and, tell us a couple things, and, we'll come pick up your laundry and it'll be done.
Yeah. And I think about, like me or my wife, when we need the service, we're doing a million things. I've got a kid in one hand and I just want to press a couple buttons. I don't want to have to type out my password and all that stuff. So it does add an extra layer of convenience there, which is key, I think.
Yeah. I think for you're probably going to need to add like voice activation, because you have the twins. And so having
exactly
hands, you're going to have
it's on its way. It's on its way.
Hey Siri, or, do my laundry. That's what you should put in there, man. That would be awesome.
Agreed.
Oh gosh. I'm working on that one right now. I will. Yes. That would be so cool. Well, it sounds awesome. And I love I love the whole system behind it.